I think I figured it out. So, if I go to your product here, that was this mini folder pack. What I did was I unchecked this and checked Override Global Express. Updated it. Haven't touched the page yet. So now, if I go to the funnel, it starts here, so I'll open it in a new private window. Claim the deal. And run it through. Goes to the page. And there we go. I didn't touch the page or anything else, and this is in a Firefox Incognito browser. So try that on your other site and see if that solves the issue, because the button here wasn't working until I did that. So it's a little weird. But there you go.